Let me start with these riddles. She made her first flight in 1969. She was the world's largest passenger jet until 2005. She's a 4-engine aircraft. She's most noted for her iconic helm, which housed the upper deck. You still don't know what I'm talking about? Well, last clue. She's mostly referred to as the Queen of the Skies. Now I believe a real aviator knows what I'm talking about. Yes. Today, for those who don't know, we are talking about the Boeing 747 aircraft. Stay tuned, I'll be right back. Welcome back, I'm Untitled Chapter and the channel is No Engineering. Please subscribe and share if you haven't done so. So now, the Boeing 747 is the largest passenger plane built by the Boeing company. The idea for the aircraft was conceived in a conversation between the then Boeing boss, Bill Allen, and the then Pan American Airways boss, Joan Tripp. In the conversation, the then Pan Am boss wanted an aircraft that was twice the size of the current Boeing 707s that they used at the time. The idea was to transport more passengers in a single flight to reduce fare prices. So Pan American Airways ordered for 25 aircraft, although the aircraft was not yet built. In 1969, the aircraft was unveiled to the world. In fact, the plane revolutionized air travel when it made its debut in 1969 as the world's largest passenger plane. Its design made airlines to get more creative, offering more luxurious amenities such as onboard bars, restaurants, and lounges. The plane is a 4-engine aircraft, and it is most noted for its iconic helm, which housed its upper deck. And for me, I think that's something about the 747 that no other aircraft possesses at the moment. For example, let us compare a 747 and a 787. So you see the difference? The 747 has a hump, but the 787 does not have a hump on it. And that is something so special and spectacular about the 747. The introduction of this plane into the aviation industry promoted intercontinental travel. For more than 50 years now, when the Boeing 747 was unveiled, the plane has been built in different variants, and we shall look at them. The first variant was the 747-100 aircraft, and that was the very first 747 built. The second was the Boeing 747-200 aircraft. The third was the Boeing 747-300 aircraft. The fourth was the Boeing 747-400 aircraft, and that variant is the most famous 747 variant. The latest and the newest among all the variants is the 747-8 aircraft. Each variant of these aircraft are in series, depending on what the aircraft will be used for. Maybe for passenger operations, for cargo operation, or maybe for both. For example, the 747-8 has the 747-8I series and the 747-8F series. The 747-8I series, the I there stands for intercontinental, meaning this aircraft is purposely for passenger operation and is for longer ranges. And for the 747-8F series, the F there is for freighter, meaning this aircraft is for cargo operation. I believe you understand. Some of my fellow aviators might be like, he left one variant out, he left one variant out. No, I haven't left it out. This variant is the 747-SP. This 747 aircraft is relatively shorter compared to all other 747 aircrafts. Aside all the 747 variants mentioned, some other 747s are either purposely built or modified for special purposes, and we shall look at them. The first one is Air Force One. Air Force One is a plane that transports the US president anywhere in the world. This airplane is a 747-200 aircraft that was modified to suit this purpose. This aircraft is capable of refueling in the air without touching down. It also has security features that protect it from rockets, missiles, gunshot, whatever you may think of. And to top of luxury, this aircraft possesses all the luxury that you can ever think for the United States president. Second, the Space Shuttle carrier aircraft. This is a special 747 that was modified by NASA to serve the special purpose of transporting space shuttle from their landing site to the Kennedy Space Station. This aircraft was retired in 2012 after space shuttles were not in use anymore. And the SOFIA, well, that's how I call it. I call it the SOFIA, and it means Stratospheric Observatory for Infrared Astronomy. This was a joint venture between NASA and the German Aerospace Center. The SOFIA operates in the stratosphere, and its purpose is to study everything from star formation to alien planet atmospheres. The aircraft was a modified 747 SP. And the last of the special purpose 747 we are looking at is the 747 Dreamlifter. This aircraft is a special 747 cargo plane built to transport materials for the building of the 787 Dreamliner. Most of you agree with me that 747s are now becoming rare, especially in passenger transport. Well, that reminds me of when British Airways used to fly their 747 from London to Accra. I always admired that aircraft, but it's been retired. These aircraft are being retired to make way for new, more efficient double-engine aircraft, since these new aircraft offer more profit and comfortability. Above all, they do not pollute the environments like the old aircraft do. Although most airlines are retiring their 747s, but I strongly believe that 747s will still continue to be flying for the next 30 years to come, especially in the freight industry. For me personally, I fell in love with aviation because of the 747, and I would love to fly in one. What about you watching me? Let me know about yours in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and share if you haven't done so. Bye.